Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Moxy Boston Downtown. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are parking, free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms, restaurant, facilities for disabled guests and a bar. Ideally located in the downtown Boston of Boston, Moxy Boston Downtown offers air-conditioned rooms, a fitness center, free Wi-Fi and a bar. This 4-star hotel offers a 24-hour front desk and dry cleaning services. Private parking can be arranged at an extra charge. All guest rooms in the hotel are equipped with a flat-screen TV. The private bathroom is fitted with a shower and a hairdryer. Popular points of interest near Moxy Boston Downtown include Freedom Trail and Boston Public Garden. The nearest airport is Logan Airport, 4.3 miles from the accommodations. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.